All right, and welcome back. Hey, so hopefully you guys are doing great things over there in Florida. We're talking about composite functions here, and one thing you guys need to understand is that f, and it looks like a little multiplication symbol, but it's not. This is actually an open circle, and we have this right here. Okay, this is not the same thing as f of x times g of x. Okay, this could also be written. This one right here could also be written like this, f times g of x, okay? Those two are the same. This over here is a little bit different, and we need to understand that difference. Again, we're talking about your guys' SAT, ACT, all those scores, okay? And you will see this on there. So we have f, the circle right there, g, and then we're going to fill it in. This is the same thing, okay? So, and when we work composite functions, we're going to work it from inside out. So let's show you how that goes. So the first thing we need to understand is that that little circle right there, we're going to do this, okay? When it looks like normal stuff that you guys are used to seeing, we're going to do just like you guys are used to seeing. Okay. So we have g of x and we have h of x, okay? Now, who knows what these functions are, but in this case, this is going to be negative 3x plus 2 and x squared minus 2x. Okay, so we can work this a couple different ways. And when we do this, what's going to happen is that sometimes they're going to give us a value of x. Sometimes it's just going to be x. I don't care what goes in there. It could be a happy face for all I care. Okay, whatever's in place of x, you're going to substitute it in place wherever you see x. So if I had g, and let's take that one we just saw, okay, and instead of x, we're going to use 2. Okay, so g composite times h of 2. All right, well, here we go. Let's plug this in. So this is going to be, and I'm going to write it just the same way that we just saw. So notice that the format sort of stays the same. Now I'm going to work it inside out. So this is equal to g, I'm not even touching that yet, x squared minus 2x. The 2 is going to go in place of the x. So g, 2 squared minus 2 times 2. Okay? 2 squared, 4 minus 4. And I still have to work the function g. 4 minus 4, g, 0. Okay. So now I'm going to take that same g function up there, and we're going to do the same thing with 0 as x. So negative 3, and I'm just fill it in first. X plus 2. Make sure I wrote it down right. Okay. 0 times x, or I'm sorry, 0 is x. Negative 3 times 0 plus 2. 0 plus 2. Our answer, 2. And I might even rewrite it and say g of 2 equals 2. So, all right. Give you guys a little heads up there. And hopefully you guys are doing great things. Message me on the chat boards if you guys need to get any updates. All right. Bye.